Wild boar. Happy family. Which one is that? I don't remember. Frogs. Two prides of Texas. Poking the bear. High octane. Alligator. What's that called?
Killer alligator.
Killer alligator. A sword. And a kid's bag. And then we got more artillery. One more pride.
It doesn't go up, but it's like a 7-minute. I think what was it going on? No. This goes out past each.
Firefall.
Come on, baby.
Fight.
He's had it.
Right?
Yeah.
Yay!
I'll let you help to light it if you go ask. If you ask him. Well, and I should have brought it. I should have brought my damn shooters here, Muffs. I'd save her too, unless y'all just get. I mean,
They don't celebrate here.
I like this. Heck yeah.
See, they're fast. That's probably why these are so big.
Oh no.
The one from downtown in Beaumont.
Yeah.
You know, they had that all those and everything. Borrow one from my glasses.
There's something.
You need to work for it to get verification.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one he's shooting off now.
Jesus. Oh man.
They don't import them, they make them. Oh yeah, just where.
That one takes off like a rocket. And we're off.
Nobody ever wants them. I don't understand why.
That was good. Oh.
Never.
Is this a shooter or a flamer?
got my disability. They asked me what my ammo was. He didn't like it. That's all he did.
Going. Yeah, that one's a pretty one.
Oh, you think so, huh?
2, gone.
Gone.
Blew the tube down.
He gets the tuba ride.
How many shots? 28? Hell yeah. That must have been the finale. Still going. That was worth it. Woo, shit, that was going fast. Move. Yeah. See, that's a good one. Like, there's 3. I guess there's 3 different kinds. And I rate all my YouTube material for kids, so I'll just have to mute it. No, I play music over it because that's just. Light your lighters.
All right.
All right. Ready?
Hang on.
Come on, Kyle.
Awesome. Gigi, bring it to me, please.
You want the middle one again? Kind of a shadow. Oh,
You don't keep up with us. I know.
Go ahead and start recording. Here, dear.
You record it. You don't watch. You sit back and watch. You get hurt, okay? Here's the third. You go like this. You go like that way. I'm gonna go this way, okay? For your health.
Doubles, baby.
I ain't worried. Hold this.
3. Woo!
That's what we're talking
BOAR,
about.
2 of them. He's dead. Here, Kyle. Woo!
That's it.
Woo! Holy shit. Damn.
That's what I'm talking about. Only happened once.
Yeah, it only happened once. There might be a problem. It's not necessary.
Now that was pretty good.
You're gonna be covered in Kool-Aid.
They were already getting me.
See, my Japanese friends don't have these fireworks. They have their own, but not firework stands.
To the base. Here, Katie, you want this? He's basically setting the orders for tomorrow. Like who's driving what? Takes him like 5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, the Cafe.